Mr. Magdan, okay, tell us the journey so far. How has opportunities impact your life positively?
New life. No response. New life. In fact, it will take me days to start, but I'll cut it brief. My name is Magdan Ashebu. I joined these opportunities September 5, 2000. I was working in federal government Prasata, then called Delta Sea Company, in Delta State. I was 41 years old then, and already married for 10 years. So all my thoughts, how will I meet up financially to take care of my wife? You can see how beautiful she looks like. Yes. Because without money, you cannot see all these 32. So I was thinking and meditating until one day somebody came and said, oh, I've seen a business I will do. He and his family will not suffer. That person was an accountant in New Nigerian Bank then. Without hesitation, that's what I was looking for. That time the business was in Ghana. I didn't see product, I didn't see nothing. Immediately I key in. Then I want to say this to encourage you. Do you know the person brought kit for me? And then told me to go to a seminar somewhere. He gave it to somebody, the kit. I went to the place, I saw them drawing circle. I said, I don't understand, but if people are doing it, I will learn. At the end of the meeting, I met them and said, sir, I'm a new person. Explain this thing to me. They said, where's your ID number? They searched all my bag. They couldn't see nothing. They said, okay, get back to the person. I only gave you kit. Until you get ID number, you are not registered. I called and called nothing. Do you know what? I have to find a place to register again. Then, within few months, I started going to Ghana. All I'm trying to tell you here, what motivated me most when I had our founder, Jerry Bradfield, he said, get a shop, believe in the system, and don't never quit. Do you know that my first upline gave me kit, he didn't do that thing. Second upline, run away, when there is this for more, came in, before you become for less, you don't see them again. Another one, forever living, before you become forever dying, I didn't see them again. I met over 500 people. I'm telling you, none of them is standing today. So, because I read a book by Randy Gage, he said, what makes a good network marketing company is not they give you card, they give you this, it's the quality of their products. Please don't let me speak in tongues. Don't let me get overstated. And I found out this company had the best products. I refused to look left or right. It's a journey. It's not easy. But I'm a fanatic of this company. My network is buried in this company. Recently, we just returned from Dubai, personal sponsorship, 30 years marriage anniversary with my wife. And I know this might be full of surprises. When they say 20 years anniversary, my wife, I have to recall her to come and meet me quickly. She joined me last night. And you can see today, I wouldn't have been happier without her. And I want to thank New Life Management, especially our able VP. He's a father, he's a friend, he's a mentor, he's an encourager. He's standing there for us day and night. I think the only time he cannot leave us is when he wants to kiss his wife. We will understand that. I want to thank the management. I appreciate you all. And God keeping us alive. This company will take us more places. I deserve my comment. God bless you.
Hello! New life! We have it. 20 years without blinking an eyes for a minute. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now, I believe. Thank you. You know, we're going to be doing